This is Lee from Brew Drink Run. Today we're going to be unboxing a shipment from Letspour. Letspour is a flash web sales site for craft beer and wine enthusiasts. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, we're going to start with my handy box opening tool. Okay, so we've opened the top of the box. It's pretty nice thick cardboard here. We've got a packing slip right up top. Underneath the packing slip, we've got plastic. We have got cooling packs, which are completely liquefied. We've got 3 of those in there. And then inside the bottle transports, we've got 3 bottles on top. Got a couple of Russian River beers here and a nice little Goose Island. Then we have a second layer. And then finally, you'll see we have 3 bottles on the bottom. Alright, that's our unpackaging video for a shipment from Letspour.